Big L about to get in some shit. Check. Yeah, Big L. Check it. Yo, fuck all the glamours and glitz, yo, I plan to get rich. I'm from New York and never was a fan of the Knicks. And I'm all about expanding my chips. You mad cause I was in the van with your bitch with both hands on the tits. Corleone rule the throne that you know in your heart. I got style plus the way I be flowing the shot. A while back I used to hustle, selling, blow in the park. Counting G stacks, rocking ice that glow in the dark forever. Hottie hunting, trigger tempo, I'm quick to body something. You looking at me like I'm probably frontin'. I fuck around, throw 3 in your chest and flee to my rest. I'm older and smarter, this is me at my best. I stop hanging around y'all, cause you be praying on my downfall. Hoping I flop, hoping I stop. Hope I get locked or be on the street with a pipe, smoking a rock. I got more riches than you, fuck more bitches than you. Only thing I don't got is more stitches than you. Fucking punk, you ain't a leader, what? Nobody followed you, you was never shit. Your mother should've swallowed you. You want some tag along flunky yes man shit? Do me a favor, please get off the next man dick. And if you think I can't fuck with whoever, put your money up, put your jewels up. No fucking put your honey up, put your raggedy house up, or shut your mouth up, or I buck lead. Bloodshed, turn your tux red. I'm far from broke, got enough bread. Ask mad hoes, I get nothing but head. My game is vicious and cruel, fucking chicks is a rule. If your girl think I'm loyal, then that bitch is a fool. How come you listen to my first album and tell a lot of got their whole style from? So what you acting for? You ain't half as raw, you need to practice more. Somebody tell us something before I crack his jaw. You run with boys, I'm running with men. I be gripping the mic till I'm 110. Having this again. 80 yachts, no love for city cops. I sport a pretty watch, 850 rocks. I'm making wonderful figures, I don't fuck with. I might pull in this gunny. That's one of you.